What is this? What do you do with that, Zadie? Show me what you do with that. No, okay. Alright, what is this? Are you combing your hair? Oh, Zadie, what are you reaching for? Is this a book? Book?
Ball.
Oh, now you want the ball. I see. Can you kick the ball? Can you kick?
Owie? Did that hurt? That was owie? That sounds like Monster Girl, not an owie. Ow.
What is that toy, Zadie? Is that a ball? Good. And what have you got in your hand there?
E.
Oh, is that the letter E?
It's a D.
D.
That's right, D.
D.
And what do you do with your comb? Oh, Daddy's gonna come in. Ball. Ball. Oh, and you're combing your hair, huh?
Good job.
Combing your hair. Good. Zadie, what have I got? Who's this? Who's that? You told me earlier today, who is this?
E. E.
Oh, is there an E in there? I see an E in his name. What's his name, baby?
Elmo.
Elmo? Elmo.
Elmo. Cookie Monster.
And is this your book?
Book.
Is this your book? Zadie, is this your book? Do you like your book?
E.
Oh, there's an E on your book. You're right.
See, will you brush my hair? Thank you. That's very nice and gentle. Surprised you haven't brained me yet.
And Zadie, do you like to kick?
My face is next to her feet.
Kick, kick, kick.
Kick. Kick.
And Zadie, do you like chocolate? Do you like apples?
She sure likes chopsticks.
Oh,
She's fine. Oh, that took you about 5 minutes to come up with that.
Okay, Zadie, let's sing. La la la. La la la. La la. La 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 la. Do you want to clap or sing?
Maybe you should dance.
Oh. Do you want to
Wanna
clap and
dance?
sing and dance? Dance with Daddy.
Maybe let's dance.
Dance. Dancey dance dance. Show Mommy how you can stomp. Daddy's a good dancer, huh? Show Daddy how you can dance.
I'm not going outside. Dream on, Hoser.
You want to walk? It's too late for walking.
Can you kick the ball? Can you kick it? Kick.
Kick.
Kick. Kick it. Kick it. Kick that ball. Kick the ball.
Well, this video is going to need to be edited.
Severely. Kick the ball.
No dancing, no kicking.
Lady.
Okay, Mama gives up.